Welcome to this guided meditation designed to support you on your weight loss journey. Today, we'll focus on connecting with your body and mind to establish a healthy relationship with food, exercise, and your own self-worth. This meditation will help you release any limiting beliefs around weight loss and replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce self-love, commitment, and confidence. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Sit or lie down, relax, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Step 1. Relaxation and grounding. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. With each breath, let go of any tension in your body. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw relax, and your forehead smoothen. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly, feeling yourself becoming more grounded. Bring your awareness to your body, gently scanning from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, and with each exhale, release the tension in those areas. Step 2. Connecting with your body. Now, bring your attention to your body, the vessel that carries you through life. Imagine a gentle, warm light filling your body, starting from your feet and slowly rising to the top of your head. This light represents health, vitality, and love. As it moves through your body, feel yourself becoming more connected with every part of you. Notice how your body feels right now. No judgment, just observation. Maybe there are areas where you feel strong, and perhaps there are areas where you feel discomfort or frustration. Whatever you feel, acknowledge it. This body is yours, and it is worthy of love and care. Step 3. Visualization for weight loss. Now imagine yourself at your healthiest, most vibrant self. See yourself moving through life with energy and confidence. Picture yourself wearing clothes that make you feel amazing, eating nutritious food that nourishes your body, and exercising in a way that feels joyful. Visualize yourself feeling light, powerful, and free. You no longer feel weighed down by negative thoughts or unhealthy habits. Instead, you are in control of your body and mind, making choices that align with your health and well-being. Step 4. Affirmations. Let's now move into affirmations. These are powerful statements that, when repeated regularly, help reprogram your subconscious mind for success. As I say each affirmation, feel free to repeat them silently or out loud, believing in their truth. I trust my body to guide me toward a healthy and balanced weight. Every day, I make choices that support my health and well-being. I love and honor my body for all that it does for me. I release any habits that no longer serve me. I am becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident every day. I am patient with myself and my progress, knowing that each step is a victory. My body is a reflection of the love and care I give it. I deserve to feel good in my body, and I am creating that reality now. I have the power to achieve my weight loss goals with ease and joy. Healthy living is my new normal, and I embrace it fully. Take a moment to let these affirmations settle within you. Feel the truth of each statement resonating deeply in your mind and body. With each affirmation, you are rewriting old stories, breaking free from limiting beliefs, and planting seeds of transformation. I trust my body to guide me toward a healthy and balanced weight. Every day, I make choices that support my health and well-being. I love and honor my body for all that it does for me. I release any habits that no longer serve me. I am becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident every day. I am patient with myself and my progress, knowing that each step is a victory. My body is a reflection of the love and care I give it. I deserve to feel good in my body, and I am creating that reality now. I have the power to achieve my weight loss goals with ease and joy. Healthy living is my new normal, and I embrace it fully. Step 5. Embracing the journey. Now take a moment to reflect on your journey ahead. Weight loss is not about deprivation or punishment. It's about giving your body what it needs to thrive. It's about balance, love, and care. Feel yourself embracing this journey with a sense of gratitude for your body, for the strength it takes to make changes, and for the courage you have to prioritize your health. No matter where you are now, know that you are on the right path, and each small step you take brings you closer to your goals. As step 6, closing. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body grounded and your mind clear. Know that you can return to this peaceful state whenever you need to refocus or find motivation on your weight loss journey. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to appreciate how you feel right now. Calm, empowered, and in control. Remember, every positive choice you make is a step toward the healthiest version of yourself. Carry this feeling with you as you go through your day, knowing that you have the power to create the body and life you desire. Closing thoughts. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. I encourage you to return to these affirmations and this space of self-love whenever you need a boost in your journey. You are capable, you are deserving, and you are on the path to success. Stay well, stay empowered, and remember, you are always in control of your health and happiness. This guided meditation focuses on cultivating a positive relationship with the body, reprogramming the subconscious mind, and using powerful affirmations to encourage healthy habits that align with weight loss goals. By incorporating visualization, mindfulness, and affirmations, you can retrain your mind to prioritize self-love and care, making sustainable choices that benefit your physical and mental health. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.